Some projects leave a mark on a map, and some projects leave a mark on a community. But for Wendy Banzhof, engineering is about both. Today, let's get to know Wendy and find out how the role she has is impacting the world. Hi, Wendy. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks. Happy to be here.
Well, we're going to jump right into our rapid round. What is your title here at LJB?
I am the water and rail group lead.
And what's your role? What do you do?
So I lead a group of about 8 people, and they're all water resource engineers and one biologist.
And then tell me your favorite part of the job.
My favorite part of the job is working with my team, working with other people in the company, and just learning more about what everybody does.
So, beyond your title, what does your role look like every single day?
A lot of my job is coordinating my staff. We have a lot of very small projects, so making sure everybody is supported and has what they need, and then interacting with other groups like surveying and getting them on board to our projects and just making sure everything is smooth and getting those projects done for our clients.
So, tell me, I mean, you're talking a lot about projects, but tell me, like, what are those projects? What's your favorite one that you've ever worked on?
So my favorite project right now is for BNSF. I'm originally from Washington State. That's where I grew
Okay.
up. And
Yeah.
so these projects are in Washington State, and they're really cool because they're for fish passage. So basically, we are taking culverts that are obstructing aquatic organism passage, and we're replacing those with bridges. And so that's really cool because we're serving our client, but we're also doing something really great for the community. So that's really exciting.
Yeah, that's awesome. So, I mean, you mentioned that you're doing something great for the community. Take me even further. How does your role, how does your job impact the world every single day?
As water resource engineers, most of the time, we're working in a floodplain and we have a lot to learn from flood events. And so our work is really about keeping people out of the floodplain, making sure they understand the risks around that, and just trying to keep everybody safe and prevent, any loss of life or damage to the community.
Your work is really important. It's super valuable. It makes a difference in the world, and we really appreciate all of the hard work that you're doing.
Oh, thank you.
Well, Wendy, thanks so much for being here with us today. I really appreciate it.
Of course, anytime.